This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Seems like light years ago that Peloton sold off in the first quarter of 2020, dropping to an all-time low. Folks realized at that time in March of 2020 that their products were being scooped up at a very aggressive pace. That caused the first stage of a very, very powerful uptrend in which the stock first completed this little cup and handle pattern that broke out in May. Well, the rest is history. The stock took off in wave after wave of a rally that paused over the summer, at the end of the summer, after a very good earnings report, and then took off once again, coming up to a new high right by the 140 level. The stock then underwent a major correction. You can see this big gap down here. There were a lot of sellers, a lot of profit taking going on, but it stabilized right around the 50-day moving average, came back up and posted this higher low, and then took off, going up almost every day for the last 2 weeks. Well, the stock just broke out after announcing the acquisition of a equipment manufacturer that helped the company relieve backlogs, which have become notorious due to excessive demand. So this is looking very, very good, except the shape of this pattern, I would have preferred to see another higher low round here. Well, I don't think that's going to happen. So we have to start looking at momentum, because this breakaway gap, I don't think is going to get filled anytime soon. So we have targets up here. It's already past the 1.272 Fibonacci target. The next target is up here about the 170 level. I think that's probably where we're headed right around now. And of course, later on, if we start pushing towards 200, this is a final barrier at 188, and 200 will mark a big line in the sand for the stock, probably in the first quarter of 2021. Now, the stock's performing exceptionally well, in addition to the acquisition, due to the surging pandemic, which has forced new lockdowns. Now, that's going to change at some point in the future with vaccines, but I think this company is now well established as a big winner in its genre.